see the flame on this, and you see the flame on this one I adjusted just now. See the difference, guys. Welcome to Curry Kitchen. Hello guys, welcome to Curry Kitchen. I am opening a restaurant, so I got here these nice 10 burner range, and plus I have one stock pot, but the gas flame is coming is very low, as I will show you. This one is low, but I call plumber, I call everybody. I spent like a 400-500 bucks. They couldn't find the way how to fix this, but I figured out the how to fix this one though. But still I need to figure out the stock pot range. I don't know how to fix that one. So this one I'm going to fix you how to get the flame little bit higher. Even the plumber, he couldn't do it. He's just trying to look at the regulator behind, and he said gas pressure is coming very perfect. You have to just change the equipment. That's what he said. I cannot change the equipment now, like I bought it already. So let me show you guys like how I fix it. I pull it out this one. Then second thing, you have to take it out. These are connected to the gas pipe over there. So, and behind this you will see the screw like that. These have the holes. You see the holes, you can make the holes bigger or smaller. Alright, let's do this one. Get the screwdriver. Get the screwdriver, and we're gonna make it loose a little bit. It's loose now, and we're gonna make slightly the hole bigger, and we're gonna see just slightly the hole we're gonna make bigger, and then we are going to tight it. Yeah, and we'll see the difference. Okay, and we're gonna put it back that one same way. Let's see. Make sure it goes to here and perfectly fit. I'm gonna put it back, and now we're gonna see the flame change. Look at that! Wow, it's bigger already.